Hello, my name is Jose Hernandez, and I've been in law enforcement for 11 years. And a friend of mine has designed a holster, a shoulder holster that allows you to conceal almost invisible a full-size baton and a set of handcuffs. The holster is very lightweight, very comfortable. I've been able to wear it to social events, stuff like that. Nobody even knows that I'm carrying a baton or a set of handcuffs. And I'm wearing it right now, in fact, underneath this button-up shirt. The access to the baton and the handcuffs is very simple. If I can get access to my baton, it's just unbutton of one of the buttons there in the front. Okay, click, and I've got access to a full-size baton. For some reason, I do need handcuffs. It's that easy. The baton has a level 1 retention release. It's a real quick snap, pull, and you're in. Handcuffs is a real quick pull, and you have access to both. Sir, stay back. Sir, stay back. Sir, stay back. Sir. Sir, stay back. Sir.